Okay, so this is the first introductory lecture of Tele ERP complete video course. So before we start, let's know about some basic features of Tele ERP and about this course. Tele ERP is an enterprise resource planning software developed by Tele Solution Private Limited. Okay, so enterprise resource planning software is a system of software where various applications are integrated to one common system. That system provides a common database to manage all these applications. Tele ERP9 software serves more than 1.6 million users across the globe. Yes, that's true. Almost all the small and medium-sized enterprises are using Tele, mostly in India and some of the other countries around the world. If you are planning to join a company as an accountant, then knowledge of Tele will serve you better purpose for your career growth. Or if you are an entrepreneur managing your existing business, then implementation on Tele ERP will give a great impact on the growth of your business. So this software handles accounting, inventory management, order management, tax management, payroll and banking. So these are all considered the core aspect of every businesses, and this course are perfectly managed by Tele ERP. So you can manage all your business requirements in one common software. So next is license version user gets regular update in respect to the various changes in accounting and tax laws by government authority from time to time. Yes, in Tele ERP, generally it gives you a regular updates on accounting and taxation laws implemented by the government from the time being in force. So you don't have to worry about the latest changes of government. All these will be integrated in the latest version of Tele. So another most important point of Tele is very cost effective software, which is considered most affordable software from small and medium sized enterprise point of view. Yes, as compared to other ERP software, Tele ERP is considered more cost effective and affordable by small and medium sized entrepreneur. However, education version of Tele is available to everyone free of cost for learning purpose. Latest version of Tele provides tax compliances related report which can be easily uploaded in government portal. Yes, various types of tax related compliance related reports such as GST, income tax, TDS are generated or exported from Tele can easily uploaded in government portal for filing purpose. For example, if you want to file GSTR 3B or GSTR 1 to GST portal, then you can generate the file from ERP and upload the same to the portal easily without any error. This will help you saving your time and cost. All accounting reports can easily exported to any popular file format for reporting purpose. Yes, various accounting reports such as sales register, purchase register, cash book, ledgers, trial balance, profit and loss account and balance sheet can be easily exported from Tele to various popular file format, that is in PDF, Excel and XML, etc. So we'll discuss the course content here. In this online video course, you'll get this topic to be covered: introduction to Tele ERP and basic setting, including downloading, installations and licensing, creation of companies and edit and delete the company, goods and service tax, that is GST, ledger creation, purchase ledger, sales ledger, cash, bank, discount, round off, how to edit and delete the ledger, then inventory management, voucher entry, purchase, sales, invoice generation, sales return, credit note entry, purchase return, debit note, receipts and payments, and contra entry. Then opening balances entries, bank reconciliations including manual and auto reconciliation, payroll management, creating employees categories, employees groups, employee name, attendance record, pay head, salary details, pay slip, etc. Then report generation, how to take a view and or take a printout of various reports such as sales register, purchase register, cash book, etc. Then search and review, how to search specific transactions, checking negative cash flows and how to resolve it, backup and restore, and splitting of Tele data. So these are some basic points to keep in mind while doing the course. First is no notebook, pen, pencil is needed. No need to write any notes. Only focus is needed. Yes, in this course, your focus is only needed This course is pocket friendly, so whenever you need, you can view the specific location. You don't have to write any notes, but you can take some note of shortcuts keys if you want when I use the shortcuts keys while passing the entries in Tally. Practice materials such as bank statement, opening balance sheet, and purchase invoices are provided during the course session. Kindly download those files and take printout while watching the videos. In this course, I have provided various course related files. So this file you should download and take a printout of it. It is required as we are doing the course with live business projects and the files are related to this business. Do practice the entries simultaneously so that you can learn fast and query, if any, whenever arises can be resolved while practicing. Practice makes man perfect. So after completion of this course, please continue the practice with the material I have provided. The more you practice, the more you become expert. So thank you. It's done. I hope you guys will really enjoy the course. If you have any query, kindly write it to us. We will write back to you as soon as possible. You can also mail me. The email address I have mentioned in the descriptions of the course. I will be happy to respond to your query. So thank you and best of luck. Meet you in the course.